Okay everyone, so now in this video I want to share with you how you can install Google Analytics version 4, which is the latest as of this year 2022, okay, into your WordPress website. So the first thing is to go to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so we are going to use a plugin so that to make the work much easier and simpler. So go to plugins and click on add new. Okay, plugins, add new, and in the search plugins box, type in Sitekit. Sitekit. So this is the one, Sitekit by Google. Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, Speed. Okay, so install this plugin because this is the official plugin by Google, so it will not have any errors when making connections or new account when you are installing Google Analytics, and click activate. Okay, so once it has been activated, you will see this message box. It says congratulations, the plugin is now activated. So click start setup. Okay, and it will ask you if you want to connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. Just tick this checkbox. Okay, and tick here also, and click sign in with Google. And on the next screen, it will ask you for account. So just select any of your Gmail account and click continue. And it will ask you to verify Google site ownership. You can just click verify. On the next screen, it will ask you if you want to turn on the metrics in your dashboard, which means that every time when you log into your WordPress dashboard, you can see the analytics numbers, which is very helpful. I would suggest to click allow and set up Search Console. Search Console is an account that Google will inform you if, let's say, your website has some issues with a search engine. Or you can log in to your Search Console to see how many clicks or impressions are people searching on the keywords that related to your website. So it is also very useful. Click setup. Then the last step is set up Google Analytics. Click next. Okay, so you will see the screen like this. Just select account, and I would like to set up a new account. And this new account website is this website that I'm having right now. Okay, and click create account. Select my Gmail again. Click continue. Okay, and the next thing is agree to the terms of use. Click I accept. Then go to my dashboard. Okay. Okay, so once it's done, you will see the screen something like that. So right now it's still gathering data because this is the first time you install Google Analytics, and it's also gathering data about the search traffic, especially if your website is very new, it will take a while for them to show you the data here. Okay, this is about Search Console and this is about Google Analytics. So after you have set up all these things within your dashboard, you can also go to analytics.google.com and you can see that automatically the new account has been set up for you. So this is the website that just now I installed Google Analytics plugin. But right now the data is very new, so I don't see any users over here. So if your website are visited by users, After a few days, you can log in to your analytics.google.com and come to the report. You can click on acquisition and other settings to see the metrics. Okay, so this is how you install Google Analytics in your WordPress site easily using the plugin called Sitekit by Google. So hope you find this video useful. Thank you.